All right, good morning. So, I thought today would be an appropriate day to take you all for a little adventure where we go fill up our water. So that's what we got to do living out here. Look at the view, the mist coming in. Absolutely beautiful. Got the mountains. All right, so here's our water tank right here. It's not on the truck right now, so first thing we got to do today is get it right on here. Go in the back of the truck just like that. I'll strap it down, and then when I drive it back up my steep driveway, park it right here. Cistern's right there that holds 1,000 gallons under the house. Yeah, so that's how we get running water up to our property. And look who's watching me do my video. Oh, there they go. One of the joys about living up here is we've got our dear friends. Hey, buddy.
It's fucking
So you can like get under like one of the legs or something. Down rotate it back. What?
You're just lifting the whole thing. Oh my god. You have to like tilt it. It's not even
Okay, so we got the water tank on, and next thing we got to do is strap it down to the bed because it does weigh almost 2,000 pounds when it's full. Oh my god. Oh, jeez. All right. Take our ratchet straps. Got one in. Tighten it down really good. Alright. So it's real fun doing this in the winter because first we gotta plow the whole driveway, which is almost a quarter-mile long with the switchback. And then we bring the water up. Whew. I don't know where this one's at. I can't even see this one. Whew. All right, now we are good to go. Trying not to kill ourselves. Then the final thing is get our hose and throw that in here. Oh. Whew. Good to go. view heading east of town right now. Definitely don't get tired of seeing this view of the San Juan Mountains in our little neck of the woods out here. It's definitely like a whole different world compared to, you know, the rest of Colorado and the rest of the country. All right, let's go make our turn off and go get some water. Haven't done this in a little while. Definitely, people take it for granted. You just turn on the tap and you've got running water. Having just lived in Arizona for the last 7 months and having a bathtub, I do have to say I did quite enjoy it. But nevertheless, this is life, and this is what you got to do if you want to live a peaceful, quiet lifestyle away from all the craziness of the world. So, all right, let's go do this. All right, here we go. Pumping water, 170 gallons. All right, let me show you guys. So, there we go. It's about 170 gallons in here. I don't fill it up. This is 225 gallons, but I don't fill it up because the F-150 is a half-ton truck, so I don't have enough payload capacity to have this completely full. So as it is right now, it's about 1,700 pounds. Yeah, I'm all strapped in, and I'm gonna shut the top of the tank there, and then we'll go drive home and get this pumping. All right, so one of the things you got to be really careful with, especially in the winter, not so much right now, but you know, that water really sloshes around. So when the roads are icy and slippery, can definitely be a little bit uncomfortable, because just moving your whole truck. So, but I've been happy. I drive a 2010 F-150 Lariat. I have loved it. Most of the time it's in two-wheel drive, which is actually rear wheel. But when I'm hauling water, typically, and it's snowy, it'll be in 4-wheel drive, especially as we go up my very, very steep driveway, which I'll show you in a little bit here. But tell you, the F-150 has been one hell of a reliable vehicle. I love driving it. All right, let's go head on home, and I'll show you the rest of this deal. All right, so that's all set up now. That's the process. I got to run the electrical cable from the house out to my pump station, connect the pump to the tank, open the valve, get a little bit of water flowing in there. So it's starting to go right now. Gravity assist. We've got a filter here so we get nice clean water. And then it's just an electric pump. So we do this. And there we go. Now we're pumping. So, not an overly complicated thing to do, but definitely adds up. It's just a chore that you got to do living out here. So, hope that shed some insight.